Hi, my name's Marco. Welcome to Barista, and finally we have the Mazzer Philos unboxing. So before I unbox the Philos, I just want to say we've sold Mazzers for many years, but this is the first time now that we've got a relationship with Mazzer where with this particular grinder we can offer it on our website as a package deal, and it comes with the Barista warranty. So we've finally got there, and I'm really looking forward to this new relationship with Mazzer, which is a real prestigious manufacturer of coffee grinders. Real strong reputation for commercial build coffee grinders, and many years ago one of the only grinders we could offer people at home was a Mazzer Mini A normally, and like a Eureka Mignon. So the whole market has exploded since that time, and Mazzer have now introduced themselves into like the real high-end domestic with the Philos as a single dose grinder. This video is just going to be unboxing today, but then there'll be another video that's more in depth about this coffee grinder that's in the pipeline. So without further ado, let's start unboxing the Mazzer Philos. So it comes with an outer box, and straight away you're presented with this inner box that I believe has got the, it's got the lovely accessories here. I think it's the hopper and the cleaning tool. That's a nice touch. You know, it's been manually kind of seal of approval there. Your manual, your capture cup. This little tool, which we'll go on about, is a little. It goes up the chute and it just cleans the coffee grounds. Well, that's nice to the feel. Real premium touch, like a stainless steel there. Plastic lid, but there's like a little silicone edge, so it gives an airtight finish, so that'll keep the coffee fresh. There's reports that that's, you know, quite cheap, but you know, I've seen a lot cheaper kind of hoppers and lids over the years from other manufacturers, and that stainless steel hopper is a nice feel to it. I'll leave that to the side, move that out. Okay, so let's see what we're presented with here. So this roll folds up. Wow, that is some seriously good packaging there. They've even done a cutaway on this top part. Oh, the packaging carries on. Look how snug this packaging is, this cardboard around the grinder itself. So that is seriously impressive, and that helps us when we ship out orders online. So, all being well, take this out. It's got a good weight to it. I'm hoping, so if I bring this down again, I'll lift the grinder out so you can see. Oh, there we go. It's nice how they've got a little guard around the plug so it doesn't scratch the body of the grinder. Wow, that's a real stunning finish. It's kind of like this anodized effect, like a brushed steel or aluminium, I'm not quite sure yet. Serious weight to the grinder. So the actual grind adjustment, I don't know if you can hear that, it's a nice satisfying click, is at the back of the grinder. And I can see there's a little bit of coffee in the chute, so they've pre-tested it as well. And that's a nice touch, and we saw that at the beginning on the top of the box where we had the inspection signature. So you can actually take, I know with this grinder, you can actually unscrew this. Take the grind adjustment off, and in here you can actually adjust this so it becomes a stepless grinder. But you've got over 100 steps, and I believe it's 6 micron different each step, and I think that's perfectly good, adequate enough for anyone wanting to dial in, you know, a good espresso at home. So the satisfying click as well really pleases me. So, but you have got that option there as well if you wanted to go stepless on this grinder. And again, it's got a nice feel. This thumb wheel as well. It's all of this feels premium to the touch. While we're here, you've got a little thumb wheel screw here, and this, you can store some of the flex of the cable in here. If you want only a small amount of the cable out on the back of the kitchen, you know, you can store a little bit more in this cubby hole. So that's again a nice little touch. And yeah, quite easy to do. The coffee capture cup, it's got quite a strong magnet on here as well, and this helps earth the grinder as well to prevent some of the static build-up. So again, yeah, that's quite satisfying how that coffee capture cup works with the grinder. In the more in-depth video, I'll explain a little bit more about this chute as well, that allows you to go up here and obviously then clean out the coffee, any retained coffee. I will pop the hopper on to complete it. You also get, I don't know if I mentioned, a nice little grinder brush as well. This part here is magnetic, this lid, and also this front section, if you took this off, there's some wing nuts where it allows you to take this first compartment off and access into the auger and the burrs to sweep out and you know, brush out any retained coffee. But overall, yeah, the fit, the finish, stunning. You know, there is a plastic chute here. Everything else has got a real kind of, you know, premium metal finish to it. One thing I do want to note, but I'll probably do it in a more of a detailed review video, is the motor capacitor on there and all the other bits. But very impressive grinder, and this will pair up with lots of the coffee machines that we sell here at Barista. What I just figured out, that's quite pleasing. You really give it some force and that really sits on well. So yeah, that's not going anywhere now. So it's quite satisfying on and off. And also, I'll take it off again and you can see this, how this nicely engineered bean hopper gate. Yeah, that pleases me. Yes. So yeah, initially first impressions, like a lot of videos have been going on about, is high quality and nothing less I'd expect from Mazzer. So a real commercial heritage and build quality there. I mean, I believe it's 12.5 kilos. I just want to see what the motor rating is as well. Let me take the hopper off a minute. Be careful here. So we've got a 400 watt motor on this bad boy. So for high-end domestic, overkill, but yes, why wouldn't you? While we're here, we're in the Barista Training Academy because the showroom downstairs is busy. But I just want you to get a bit of an idea of the size of the grinder compared to a coffee machine. So here's where we do some home barista classes here at Barista, and we have ECM machines that people can train on. I'll just remove this X54 on that knock drawer, and I'll put this next to an ECM Slim, just so it gives you a bit of an idea and comparison of the grinder with like a high-end prosumer machine. Actually, the height is, it compares and contrasts nicely. And you've got black accents of the grinder in this colourway and black accents on the machine that also pair up nice. So if you like this quick video and you'd like to see more with all the products that we get in here at Barista, please remember to subscribe. It really helps us continue doing this, and like the videos, and any comments, any questions, always drop them below. Cheers. Cheers.